Hello, everybody. You can call me Hunch, and today I'm going to be talking about stacks, Megapont, NFTs, Ordinals, all the above. And mostly I want you to take from this is that I think if any NFT on stacks has a chance to become like CryptoPunks on ETH, I think it's Megapont, okay? Let's dive on in. First, I want to say Ordinals have been taking off. One has an Ordinal Punk sold for 9.5 Bitcoin. Okay, that's a lot of money. Second of all, I want you to realize that people in the community, you know, whether it's this guy who I've been following for a while or everyone else, people are taking notice. This guy tweeted, Ordinal Punks flipped CryptoPunks. That's incredible because NFTs on ETH have been, becoming established for a while. They're just starting to take off on Bitcoin. Remember, a long time ago, NFTs started on Bitcoin, okay? They had some type of variation. It died off. Then they moved to ETH. Now they're coming back to Bitcoin. Now, I think ordinals are important, but I also think stacks are important. So let's dive on in. Here is the stacks chart. What I want you to take from this is it's bumped up to the resistance line 3 times. If I was a trader, this is where I would trade it. Not a trader. I'm an accumulator. But I do think because of the bullish momentum and the fundamentals of the NFTs, all that stuff, I think we're going to bounce around here and then it's going to blast off, you know, within the next day, next couple days. Again, those fundamentals, this is the number of transactions in the mempool. Mempool, I don't care. Everyone says it differently. It's been going up. That's bullish to me. Okay. What I want you to do is go look at the NFTs on Trigramma. This is a fantastic site. They've already incorporated ordinals into their product. What I want you to see here is the BNS domains have been taken off. I have timthetatman.btc, so if you're watching this, Tim the Tatman, you can make me a huge offer for my .btc BNS name. I do think we will be sending Satoshis, whatever else, whether it's over the Lightning Network, over stacks, to BNS domains in the future. But, you know, it's all up in the air at this point. Again, if you're going to be trading NFTs, I would be going for this. I've been into or looking at these NFTs for a while, and I wish I would have bought at least one of these, but you know, I'm not that big into NFTs. I don't think they're that cool, but a lot of people do. I'm not downplaying their significance. That's why I'm making this video. Now, I want you to take from this is BNS domains, domain names, which means people active in the community to me right now, are the owners of these, okay? Peters.btc. You can go through it. Yeah, there's some wallets, okay, that don't have names, but a lot of these have the .btc domain names, okay? So they are active in the community. That tells me these, if they have a chance to compete with ETH punks or you know, pudgy penguins or whatever you nerds are doing, these are the ones, okay? Get off your couch, pudgy penguins. Become fit penguins, okay? Now, encapsulated in all this, I just want you to start paying attention to stacks. Again, look at the chart. I think the fundamentals are catching up. I do think Bitcoin's going to run first and then this, but you know, this may have a pump too. I'm not downplaying that, but stacks to me is less important to Bitcoin than Bitcoin, obviously. But to me, it's still a good bet to be accumulating either assets if you're into NFTs or BNS domains if you're into that type of speculation, or just stacks itself because the fundamentals are growing, right? We do have developers on the network, and the trend has not shown to be going down yet. Now, I can always change my mind about BTC. I still think they need to work the SBTC in better for the NFTs, like instead of just call, you know, you could call it SBTC, but instead of like converting it to BTC, you can just connect your Bitcoin wallet. It does it in the background flawlessly. You know, it gives you a little disclaimer, maybe, you know, here's the disclaimer, Bitcoin turns to SBTC, which then uses stacks as a gas token, and then you get your NFT, okay? But it should be all workable with a Bitcoin wallet, right? And you don't have to think about that conversion. So that's my criticism of stacks this week. I love you, stacks community. I'm not trying to critique you. I just think it still needs to be worked on a little bit. So if any of you homies are watching this, shoot me a message and say it's all good, okay? Because I care about this community. Anyway, Megapont NFTs. I think that's going to compete if Stacks, does start to blow up with other huge collections on Ethereum. You can call me Hunch. Sorry, I've been talking quick. I had a lot of coffee today. You can call me Hunch.